Students, in this video, I'll explain you only what do we mean by large signal amplifiers. And in the next video, I'll be taking up the examples of large signal amplifiers and we will discuss its circuit diagram and working. This is large signal amplifiers. We have previously studied small signal amplifiers where we have used only one transistor with associated components in an amplifier circuit. We have seen so many amplifier circuits in which we have used only one transistor with associated components, that is called class A amplifier as well as small signal amplifier. So large signal amplifier is a multi-stage amplifier. You should understand this word. It is multi-stage amplifier. Multi-stage amplifier means it will be having number of stages of amplifiers in it. Something like it will be having, you can see this diagram, we will be having this input stage, intermediate stage and output stage. In the intermediate stage, we will be having number of amplifiers which are going to amplify the signal to such a high level that it is going to drive this output stage amplifier, because out of this complete large scale amplifier we are going to get an output in the amplified form which is going to be of high power and high efficiency. The amplified signal, the input signal we have applied, its amplified form we are getting. This is going to be the high power with high efficiency signal. So in order to get this, what we are using in the output amplifier, that is a final stage amplifier, it is going to be a power amplifier and we need more power to drive this amplifier. So this intermediate stage amplifier is going to boost the signal, that is input signal which is amplified in the input stage. Again it is given to this intermediate stage where number of amplifiers together will amplify it to such a higher level that that signal is going to drive this high power amplifier, and this power amplifier is going to produce the signal with wanted amplification level, that is high power with high efficiency. This is going to be our large signal amplifier. If we compare this one large signal amplifier with a small signal amplifier, it has got an advantage that the output is going to be of higher level with high efficiency, means the output is going to be with less distortion. This we should understand. So what is the advantage of large signal amplifier is we will be getting the output with high power, with high efficiency and less distortion. It means the class A amplifier, what is the disadvantage of class A amplifier? That is which we have studied already. That is the amplifier having single transistor with associated components. That will be having more distortion in the output. The output whatever we are getting from the small scale amplifier will be with more distortion. This is because the non-linearity of the transistor what we have used. That was the disadvantage. Non-linear behavior of the transistor in the class A amplifier is the disadvantage that is overcome in the large scale amplifier. So now in the next video what we are going to study is the class B amplifier and the class AB amplifiers, which are the output stage amplifiers in the large scale amplifiers. Once again I repeat, in the next video we will be studying class B amplifier and class AB amplifier, which are nothing but the output stage amplifier of these large scale amplifier. So we will be studying this block and how we are going to get reduced distortion. In this case we will see that also. We will be having the circuit diagram of class B and explanation, circuit diagram of class AB amplifier and explanation. Hope from this video you are clear with what do we mean by large signal amplifiers. Thank you.